It is extremely hot these days and temperature is even rising to beyond 45 degrees centigrade. In this hot weather, many families don't have access to cooler or AC. Some extremely poor families don't have access to fans also because children tend to run outside to play. In financially sound families also, parents take their children to various classes during summer holidays in hot summer also. If the child is repeatedly exposed to sun, child is feeling hot, there can be signs such as miliaria. It is reddish eruption on the skin, especially in skin folds where it sweats a lot. It can lead to itching. There can be suntan also and repeated sweating. Children are more prone to heat stroke because the surface area of the body is very more compared to body weight. So there is loss of lot of water compared to adults. So signs and symptoms develop very fast compared to adults. Heat stroke is divided into 3 stages. First is heat cramps. Child suffers from lot of sweating and muscle cramps because of loss of electrolytes. They feel thirsty and tired. Second is heat exhaustion. Child suffers from mild fever that is always less than 40 degree Celsius or 104 degree Fahrenheit. Fatigue, cramps, low blood pressure. This is an extreme case where the temperature can be more than 40 degrees Celsius. There can be confusion in mind, irritability. Child can even become unconscious and can develop seizures. There can be dry and flushed skin. Heart rate and respiratory rate is very high. Pulse is very fast. How to prevent this condition? Keep kids strictly indoors at the time of peak heat, that is between 12 pm to 4 pm. Apply sunscreen half hour before going outdoors. Make sure children take fluids at regular intervals, that is water, nariyal pani, ORS solution, juice and soup, etc. Make them wear very light clothes, loose clothes made up of cotton. Don't use synthetic clothes in summers. If possible, keep them in controlled temperature in summers. If not possible, at least avoid exposure to sun. Never leave child unattended in a vehicle. Eat very light, digestible food. Coming to how to manage heat stroke. You detect when the child is in the initial stage, that is heat cramps. Immediately shift the child to a cooler environment. Make them drink as much fluid as possible, if preferably ORS. Ask the child to rest until the child feels okay. Now coming to heat exhaustion. Shift the child to a cool place. Loosen tight clothing. Make him drink as much fluid as possible. If the child is not able to drink sufficient fluid, shift him to the nearest hospital for IV fluids. Now coming to management of heat stroke. Immediately start cold sponging of child with ice cold water. Immediately shift the child to a hospital. Doctors will start IV fluids immediately. Doctors will start cold sponging with ice cold water. Vitals will be monitored. Now coming to what complications we can have if the child develops heat stroke. Heat stroke can lead to brain, kidney, liver and heart damage. So I have told you everything what I thought I should be telling about heat stroke. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.